Hey, hi, hello. I'm in the kitchen trying to find the best lighting because the sun is about to set, and it's hard to find good lighting in our kitchen without it directly shining right onto my face. Anyway, let's back it up. Hi, my name is Linnea. If you're new here, that's my name, and we are on a mission to become semi-self-sufficient where we garden, we make sourdough, we do all those fun things. Today we're gonna do a fun recipe. We're gonna do a recipe that I have tried in the past, much like the last video that I had, where I have tried making this in the past and it has not gone well. So we're gonna try again and we're gonna make a video out of it. Today we're gonna make homemade macaroni and cheese. For some reason, I have never been able to make macaroni and cheese. I don't know why. So today's the day. Today is the day. Also, if you're not new here, welcome back. Hi, missed you. Hope you've had a great week or weekend, or whenever you're watching this. Anyway, I'm gonna stop yapping. Let's just go make some homemade macaroni and cheese and see how it goes. All right, let's go. Alright, this is the same pan that I cooked the noodles in. That's why it looks a little gunky, because I literally just poured the noodles out and then I put 2 tablespoons of salted butter in here. And then I have 2 tablespoons of flour, a half teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of garlic powder in here. So we're just going to whisk it together. And then we're going to let it cook for just a couple minutes to get the flour taste out. Alright, now it's just to add a cup of whole milk. I actually do not have whole milk. I have 2%, so I did a half cup of 2% and then a half cup of half and half, and I figured that would be good enough. So I'm going to whisk that in. Alright, that seems smooth. So then it's just to whisk in a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm not going to measure a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm just going to squirt some in. And then it's just to whisk this until smooth. And then it says to turn the heat up to medium-high and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, but not to let it boil. Alright, it is thick, and now I did turn it to low, and I'm going to add my cheese slowly, and it calls for 2 cups or 8 ounces of sharp cheddar, so we're just going to do this. Alright, that is melted. It tastes good. So I'm going to add in my noodles and then mix it all together. My mom used to make some delicious macaroni and cheese when I was really little. But when I was little, I offended her every single time because I said that Kraft macaroni and cheese was always better than hers. But to my 5-year-old defense, Kraft macaroni and cheese was better. Right, wow, that is that. Look at that. I'm impressed with how well the cheese melted. That's that. That was quick, that was easy. We will taste it with dinner and let you know what we think of it. We were zoomed in. John's already tried it.
Good.
It is good. It's not like, I used sharp cheddar, which is what it said.
Maybe that's why it tastes kind of smoky. It's very sharp.
It's, I think it said to use sharp. Yeah, I think it's good. I would make it again. It was actually really easy.
Yeah.
And it doesn't taste all floury.
Nope.
And I used flour. Okay, we're gonna go watch a show, which we rarely ever do with dinner. Usually we, what, you can't figure out who's this who's?
I don't mind.
Does everyone want to see what we're drinking?
Wait, no,
that one, yeah. This is what we're drinking. In case anybody likes, oh, it's not. In case anyone likes some sparkling water, this one's good. Anyway, we're gonna go watch a show. We're gonna have our dinner. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!